Most people don't need more investment options, they need the right one based on their risk. And without proper profiling, even good advice can turn into a bad decision. So to solve this problem, I have created an AI assistant using Pabbly, Chatflow, and OpenAI that analyzes user data and recommends investment plans based on their risk profile. Let me show you how this works at first, and then we will build it step by step inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. This WhatsApp AI assistant gets triggered as soon as any customer sends the keyword invest inside the chat. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here I will send this keyword invest. Next you will see that my WhatsApp AI assistant will get triggered instantly, and it will send me a welcome message here. I have received my welcome message. Hello, welcome to Apex Wealth Capital Advisor. I am FinGuide, your AI financial advisor. I can help you choose the right investment plan based on your income, financial goals, and risk preference. To get started, please tell me your monthly income bracket. And here we have these 4 different options from where we can select our monthly income bracket. So as this 75,000 to 2 lakh is my monthly income bracket, so I will send it in that chat. I have received this new message. Now step 2, investment goal. Please pick one. I have 4 options again. So inside this chat, I will type down this wealth creation, then I will send it. Step 3 is this investment horizon. So in here, I will type this 3 to 5 years and I will also send it. Step 4 is risk appetite. So in here, I will add my risk appetite as medium risk and I will also send it. I have received this personalized summary based on my input, income level, goal, horizon, and risk profile. These are the details that are provided to this AI assistant, and it has recommended me this plan: 50% on equity mutual funds, 30% on debt funds, and 20% hybrid funds. And it has also provided the reason why this fits: balance growth and safety with moderate risk exposure. After providing this plan, it is also asking me if you would like, I can connect you to a human advisor to tailor this further. Please share your full name and contact number. After I will share these details, this WhatsApp AI assistant will assign me to an AI. So you just saw how easy it was for me to get this investment plan for myself with the help of this AI assistant. Now think of this as a businessman perspective. If you have this AI assistant working for you, then you are not required to invest heavy money on a team of advisors. You just need this AI assistant working for you 24/7. So you have seen the demo. Now I will help you create this exact same AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. You will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here, you will get these 2 different options: sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on the sign up free button and create your free account. But if you are an existing user, click on the sign in button and then you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. In here, we have to use Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why we will click on this access now button to access the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. To use this, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in here. For that, click on this button, select any of these 2 different methods and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. After that, this column will be accessible to you. In here, we have these following amazing features. If you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you face any trouble while adding your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then you can take help from the videos that we have added in the description box. So let us start creating our WhatsApp AI assistant. For that, from this column itself, you have to click on this AI assistant, then you will get directed on this AI assistant page. In here, these are all the AI assistant that I have created for myself. This is the AI assistant, AI financial advisor, that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. Now, as I'm going to create this exact same AI assistant with you guys, that's why I will just deactivate this from here. You can see my AI assistant is deactivated successfully. Now we have to start working on a new AI assistant. For that, click on this add AI assistant button, then in here, give a name to your assistant. So I will name my assistant as this AI financial advisor assistant. After that, you just have to click on this button and you can start creating your AI assistant on the new page. In this page, we just have to work on 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and at last this is styling. So let us start working with this AI instructions. First of all, we have to select the instruction type. For this, from this drop down, you can select any instruction type, but as today we are going to create this AI assistant, that's why we have to select this AI agent. Now inside this instructions box, the role and constraints of this AI agent are already added. Here the text is written, provide instructions for how the AI assistant should respond to users, include key information like audience, purpose, and style to customize the assistant. So basically, in here we have to add the detail about how the AI assistant should respond to the queries of your customers. If you want, you can also add these instructions on your own. Now let us move toward this AI configuration. For this, at first we have this temperature. This temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. That's why to maintain a balance between focus and creativity, 0.5 temperature is set automatically. But if you want to increase or decrease this, you can do that by clicking on this button available on the right side. For the select AI to use, we have to select this OpenAI. Then for this model, you can select any model from here, but I will select this GPT 5.2 model for myself. Next, we have to add this API key. So to get this API key, at first you have to buy a paid subscription of OpenAI. After that, come back in this page and click on this hyperlink given here. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here, on the right side, you will get this button, create new secret key. So click on this, give a name to your key and press this create secret key button. Your key will get generated. Copy this from here and paste it inside the box. Press this connect button. Your connection will get created. In here, I will add my own OpenAI key, then I will connect it. My OpenAI key is also saved. Now let us move toward this AI assistant settings. For this, if you want to use any of these settings, you just have to turn these buttons on to use them. If you want to use this header, just turn this button on to use it. Now inside this box, we have to add a message. So in here, I will type down this hello. Now this hello will be visible to all my customer with every reply of my AI agent. But if you don't want to use this, just turn this button off like this. The same goes for this footer message also. Third one is the stop keyword. So I will tell you how to use this because this is important one. You just have to turn this button on. Inside this box, you have to add some keywords. In here, we can add multiple keywords. So first of all, I will just type down this stop and press this enter button. Make sure to click on this enter button, otherwise this keyword will not work. In here, we will add one more keyword, exit, and again we will press this enter button. Here these keywords are added so that whenever any customer will send this keyword inside your chat, your WhatsApp AI assistant will stop replying to them. And if you want, you can also take over the chat manually. Then for this retry attempt, in here we can add number in range of 1 to 10 so as to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. But if you do not want to use this, just turn this button off from here. At last, this is fallback message. This message will get delivered to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. If you want to change this, you can also change this on your own. With this, we have completed the first step of our AI assistant. Now we will move toward the second step, knowledge source. In here, we have to upload a file. Here the text is written, connect knowledge unique to your business, include FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. So basically, in here we have to upload a file which must contain every minute detail about our business. I have already created this knowledge base inside my Google Docs account. In here you can see I have provided every minute detail that will help my AI assistant to solve every query of my customer. This knowledge base will work as the brain of my AI assistant. Now we just have to download it from here and paste it inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. To download it inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, you can see we have this some conditions. Size must be less than 90 MB and accepted formats are TXT and PDF. There is one more condition for this PDF, that no page limit for text PDFs, but if that PDF has images, it is limited to 10 pages. Now I will download this knowledge base from here. For that, I have to go on the file, click on the download and select this PDF as my format. So I will select it, and on the right side you will see that here my knowledge base is downloaded. Now we just have to drag this knowledge base from here and drop it in here. After that, you will see that my knowledge base will get uploaded successfully. While it is getting uploaded, let us work on this third step, assistant interface. In here, this box is visible to you from the beginning of this video. If you want to change anything inside the box, then you have to type down those details inside these fields. So first of all, let me show you how you can change this brand name, which is actually our heading. So for that, you just have to type down the text inside this box. So I will add this Apex Wealth Capital Advisor. On the right side, you can see this text is successfully changed. If you want to change this subheading, you have to type down the text inside this second box, display subheading name. For this initial message, in here one message is already added. If you want to add one more message, open the box, type down the message and press this enter button to successfully add this. You can see this message is also added. Then we have this powered by Pabbly, which is visible here. If you want to enable or disable it, you can select it from this drop down. Then we have this privacy policy, which is actually a hyperlink. If you want to create this, type the text inside this footer text box and paste link inside this footer link box to successfully create your hyperlink. Here my file is uploaded added. Now at last we have this user first message. For this, I need help is added. If you want to change this, you can also change this on your own. Now let us move towards our last step, styling. In here, we can style our AI assistant. Like if I want, I can change the theme into light or dark. I can change the shape of my assistant into circle, square or rounded square. If I want, I can change the background color or profile picture from here. But as I do not want to change them, so I will just turn my AI assistant on from here and click on this save button to save my AI assistant. You will see my AI assistant is saved successfully. Now if you want to use this AI assistant from your website, click on this embed button, copy this script from here and paste it inside your code. After that, this WhatsApp AI assistant will also work from your website. Here we have successfully created our AI assistant. Now we just have to test it if this is working properly or not. For that, earlier we used to assign this AI assistant inside one of our chats, but this time I will not do that. This time we will create a flow with the help of which this AI assistant will only get assigned to those customers who will send a particular keyword that we will add inside our flow. Now we have to create a flow. So for that, on the left side column, here this flow is visible, so just click on this flow and you will get directed on this flow builder page. In here, click on this add flow button to start creating your flow. Inside this page, we can start creating our flow by a simple method of drag and drop. At first, this trigger step is visible, so we will work on this, but before that, let us give a meaningful name to our chatbot. So I will name it as this Apex Wealth Capital Advisors. Now we have to work on our trigger step. So for this, for my trigger event, I will select this keyword or regex match because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that we will add here. So we have to select our trigger event. Then inside this box, we have to add a keyword. In here, I will just type down this keyword invest and then make sure to click on this enter button here also. Otherwise, this keyword will not work. We have added this keyword invest. From now onwards, whenever any customer will send this keyword invest inside our chat, our WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly. Now for the action step, I want this WhatsApp chatbot to assign the AI assistant that we have just created to our customer who will send this keyword invest. So for that, from this action features, we just have to drag this assign AI assistant node and drop it in here. Connect both of these drawing circles. Then from here, we have to select the assistant that we have just created. So this AI financial advisor assistant is the assistant that we have created. So I will select this. Then from this start with, we have 4 options, but I will select this use client message because I want my WhatsApp chatbot to get triggered with the help of my client's message. We have successfully completed the creation of our flow. So I will just save this from here to make sure that this works properly. Now we will test it by opening our WhatsApp account again. In here, I will send this keyword invest. You will see my WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly and it will assign our AI assistant inside my chat. I have successfully received this welcome message from my assistant. This means that the WhatsApp chatbot and AI assistant that we are creating inside our Pabbly Chatflow account are working all fine. I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this AI financial advisor assistant inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you also want to create more of such amazing AI assistant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you do not have to worry about credits anymore. You can get unlimited credits by purchasing yearly or lifetime subscription plan of Pabbly. And if you will use this coupon code JAIYT while purchasing your subscription, you can also avail an exciting discount on our plans. So make sure to use this coupon code while purchasing your subscription. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just this, you can create many more type of WhatsApp chatbots, AI agents, or schedule broadcast with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you are thinking to buy your subscription, you can check out the prices from this website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you like the content that I have created, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly. So what are you waiting? Just go and create your first chatbot right now.